This delicious and creamy homemade hummus is perfect for dipping veggies, pita bread, and even as a spread for sandwiches. To make our hummus, we will need the following ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas. Make sure to drain the chickpeas.
E as teclas pretas não saem do lugar quando o corno inglês ter que ir pro xadrez.
1 clove of garlic.
Porque não tem mais onde.
Squeeze half a fresh lemon or lime. Salt to taste.
Quando o prelúdio
2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, plus more for serving. 3 to 6 tablespoons of water or aquafaba.
pira. Quando o trombone não quiser assoprar.
1 teaspoon of ground cumin.
Harpa não vão dedilhar.
1/4 of a cup of tahini. And handful of fresh basil leaves. The basil will add a lovely flavor twist to our hummus. Now let's blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. If the mixture looks too thick, add more aquafaba to achieve the desirable consistency. After it's blended, it's essential to taste the hummus at this point. You can adjust the flavor to your liking by adding more lemon juice, salt, or cumin if needed. Now our hummus is ready to be served. Transfer it into the bowl, create a small well in the center, and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil in the center. This will enhance the flavor and preservation. And for the final touch, sprinkle a dash of ground paprika on top. This not only adds a pop of color, but also a delightful smoky flavor.